Your Instagram business settings. Hey there everyone, and welcome to the second video of section 2 of our Instagram Marketing 3.0 video training. In this video, we are going to show you how to optimize your Instagram for Business account by customizing your Instagram business settings. There are two main business settings that you will be able to edit and customize in order to complete your Instagram business account. The first set of business settings that you can edit can be found by tapping on the profile icon located on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tapping on the Edit Profile tab. Now, the first few settings are the same that you were able to edit on your personal Instagram account, including your name, your username, your website, and your bio. Your name and your username are fine as they are, as long as they're correct and reflect your own business name. In the website field, you have to enter your main business website URL. In our case, we are going to enter our diabetescaremadeeasy.com. In the bio field, you have to enter a brief description of your business, just like we're describing ours as you can see here. The next set of settings are your business contact settings. Your Facebook page as well as a category are already set and cannot be edited from this section, so simply tap on Contact Options. In this section, you will be able to edit your business contact settings. More specifically, these are the contact settings that you can show to your followers and account visitors. First is your business contact email. We recommend you to set up a dedicated email address with your website domain as your contact email. In our case, we are going to insert our support@diabetescaremadeeasy.com as our business contact email. Then you have to enter your business phone number. Start by selecting your country's phone code, enter your number, and then select whether you can be contacted by a call or by text. Then you'll enter your business address, which is as easy as entering your street address, selecting your city or town, and then entering your zip code. Check that all of your contact information is correct, and then tap on the confirmation icon to save and go back. Lastly, let's take a look at the private information below. This is your private account information, including your email address, your contact phone number, and your gender. You will need to confirm your contact number by entering the confirmation code that Instagram will send to your phone. This information can only be accessed by you. Make sure that everything in this section is correct, such as making sure that your name is no longer than 30 characters. Then tap on the confirmation icon in the top right corner to save and go back so you can check the next business settings. Let's now go over the three dotted button on the top right corner of your profile to go to your account settings. In this section, you have to look for the Business Settings menu, where you will be able to see three options. The first one is the Payments option. In this section, you will be able to set up a payment method which you will later use to pay for your advertisements. Your default payment method will be the one that you are currently using on your Facebook ad account, but you will be able to also set up two additional payment methods by tapping on the Add a Payment Method link. The two payment methods available are credit or debit card and PayPal. Before setting up a payment method, tap on the Billing Country tab to select the billing country address corresponding to your payment method of choice. To add a credit or debit card as your payment method of choice, simply tap on the credit or debit card link and enter the credit or debit card information that you will be asked, including your card number, your card's expiration date, your card's security code, and your card's billing zip code. Once you have entered the corresponding information, tap on the confirmation button on the top right corner to save it. If you want instead to add PayPal as your payment method of choice, simply tap on the PayPal link from the Select Payment Method screen. Log into your PayPal account when prompted and complete the on-screen steps that follow after. Let's now move over to the Branded Content Approvals tab on the Business Settings menu. You can turn the Require Approvals lever on or off depending on whether you want other business accounts to tag you on their posts. We recommend you to leave this setting off so other businesses can tag you, which will help you to increase your reach. The last option available on the Business Settings menu is a switch back to personal account, which you can use in case that you decide to revert back to your old personal account settings, but keep in mind that you won't be able to promote your content as efficiently if you go back to your personal account. And these are your business settings. Remember that you can always edit them by visiting their corresponding sections through your profile and through your account settings. Follow us in the next video so we can show you how to post and share with your new business account the right way.